Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Afang Soup the traditional way by the Efik Ibibio Oron people of Cross River and Akwaibom. And if you like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to click the notification button. So let's get down to it. I'll be using goat's meat, so I'm prepping it now. This goat meat has been washed. I just added some bouillon cubes, some salt, and I'll be adding some pepper. Giving that a good stir, add some water and allow it to cook till tender. Now with Afang soup, down to the proteins, we do not add onions. Yes, there has been some cultural integration and people add onions to their proteins or their Afang soup itself, but we do not. Now I've transferred into the pot. I've added some stockfish. I just added crayfish. I'll be adding some fish powder, which is optional. I'll be adding my dry fish. I'll be adding some peppers. I'm going to stir that. Taste, add more seasoning like I did now. If it's not enough, add a bit of salt. Give that a very good stir. Well, it's on fire. And now the most important of all is your palm oil. You'll have to be generous with your palm oil with Afang soup. So you cover that after stirring and allow it to simmer so that all the ingredients will incorporate nicely. Now it's time to add our water leaf. Now water leaf can be a bit slimy, so you add your washed water leaf and cover and allow to wilt. That way it reduces the sliminess of the soup. Now add your Afang. This Afang was blended, but typically you just pound it, you slice it and then you pound. Now you give that a very good stir. At this point you can add extra palm oil to make it more flavorful, or you just stir that up so it soaks in the water. And my darlings, it is ready. Just look at that. Yes, the soup is easy to make and it's flavorful. Just look. Oh my god, I had this with Eva and my friends I think had to repound the jam. So thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, mwah.